Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now I have been receiving a few comments about how you can add page backgrounds inside of Wix's new editor. If you aren't aware, Wix recently updated the editor so it's now section based and we no longer have the option to add a page background. However, it is still possible, although it does require a couple extra steps. So as you can see right here, we have one section right here, and then we have another section right below it. And let's say we want to have the same image on both of these. So if we just click this top section, let's go ahead and change the background to an image. And we'll just choose this blue sky image right here. And maybe we can lower the opacity to 20, something like that. Now let's go ahead and choose the background scroll effect, and we'll set this to reveal. Now, once that's done, let's go ahead and move on to the next section and we'll just do the same exact steps. So we're going to change the background to an image. We'll choose the sky. We'll go into the settings and set the background opacity to 20. And then once again, we'll set the background scroll effect to reveal. So although in the editor, it might not look correct, once we press preview, you're going to notice that it looks correct. And that is the reveal scroll effect that we applied. It basically creates a smooth transition between the background image in this section and this one below it. So as you can see, these are two separate sections, but they have the background that seamlessly go together. And although this technique might be more labor intensive than it used to be, this is still a method for how you can accomplish the same effect inside the new Classic editor with these sections. But that basically wraps it up for today's video. If you all enjoyed, please go ahead and give this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.